Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hello, my friends. This is a lovely little bag that I have made from a 12 by 12 piece of designer series paper. And this particular one has the silver and pool party baker's twine. This one is sort of more of a birthday or thank you gift. And I'm going to share with you a different colorway, frosted floral designer series paper. This little piece is the tin tile textured embossing folder. I use Sending Thankful Thoughts stamped in StazOn ink, and the background is Flourish Filigree stamp set, one of my favorite stamp sets. I love it. And yeah, so that's all the description you need. So I have a piece of 12 by 12 designer series paper. Gonna pull out our arm of our trimmer and put the little foot down. I'll put the little foot down and then pull it over. So this is the foot. So you pull it like that and it snaps forward so that you have stability. It's not all over the place. Okay, so here is this is from the Joyous Noel designer series paper. It's got copper embellishments on one side. I really liked this because it's, I don't know, it gives a very Christmassy feel to it, but not overly like red and green in your face. This is Merry Merlot, Tranquil Tide. So with our 12 by 12, we're going to cut it to 9 by 12. Okay. So we're going to slice that down. So we have a piece that is 9 by 12. And then we have this piece that is 3 by 12. And we're going to cut it down to 9 by 12. So we have this little piece left over. And I'm going to cut out this little guy and this little guy and maybe add my own crumb cake to the embellishment. I just find it easier to work with my scoring tool, but you could totally score everything in your trimmer if you would like. So on this piece, my 3 by 9, I'm going to score at 1/2 and at 2.5. And then I'm going to score again at 2. Okay, I'll be back. Down to this piece. The long side, which is the 12-inch side, we're scoring at 5 and 7. And on the short side, which is the 9-inch side, we're going to score at 2. Fold and burnish all your score lines. Now the one thing that I would caution here, so I'm going to attach this piece to this piece and we're going to make the bag that way. If you have a pattern, say like it's all lined across, if you go ahead and put that piece, your extra piece on, you can see how it doesn't match up the pattern. So that's the reason why I kind of chose this piece, because you're not going to notice. So a random pattern is best for this type of bag. So I'm going to put adhesive on both sides of my little strip here, real close to the score line. Okay, so I think the easiest way is to take the folded side down and butt it right up. There it is. And then take this side it's folded over. There we go. Let's see the seam. So this is going to be my front, so I'm going to fold in my bottom here. Just to make this one super sturdy is I'll put Tombow glue on it. So this one goes in first. Whoops. Just like that. There we go. All right. So I'm just going to fold in. It kind of naturally wants to go. I'm going to put 2 holes. I don't know if you've ever seen these, but these are some, I think you're to put, I don't know. I think these are for teeth or braces or something. It's got a little loop in it, so you just feed the thing, your ribbon or whatever, through the loop, and then I'm just going to feed the blue part of this little wire. It's a little plastic wire. Whoops. And you pull it. So I'm just going to feed the ribbon through. I'm going to hold on to it. I'm going to take the end and feed it back this way. And then I got to pull gently though. Okay. Then I'm going to tie a wee little knot. I'm going to trim off as much of the excess as I can and then pull it to make a little pretty handle. Turn it the way it looks good. So cute. All right, I will do this again. This is the Merry Christmas from I'll Be Home. And there it is. So now I can put my special gift inside. And it's sturdy enough to carry and to give. Super excited about that. Stoked. So 2 very similar gifts wrapped completely differently. So cute. All right, I have a kitty cat right there who really wants to get in, so I'm gonna say goodnight. See you later. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.